Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Leroy. Hope everyone is well. Today's is a special episode. It is 5 things to do in Hamburg. Yes. We'll start off with the basics. What is the currency? Things to do for free and how much everything is. Everybody always wants to know what things are. So, roll credits, let's go.
Okay, so here is, it's like we had to fly out from Manchester to Dublin, from Dublin to Hamburg. Oh, the crack there in the smoking area at Dublin Airport. Manchester doesn't have a smoking area in Terminal 3 now. Oh, flying over, oh, beautiful Ryanair. I mean, you don't get this on Wish You Were Here though. Following the old wifey with the bag. Is that my wife? I think it's my wife. Oh, look, great shot there in my trainers. Keeping it real. Going up the escalators, more travel. In this video you're going to see lots of tips and for Hamburg, so please, it's a short little guide, but I thought I'd do a little voiceover for the intro. Oh, lovely bag. I think that's definitely our bag. Is that my wife in front? I don't know. Is it? Could it be? What else other clips I've got? Oh, smoking area at Hamburg. I'm there, waiting for bag, waiting for taxi.
So getting around the city. You want to get around Hamburg, there's 1.8 million people. It's a huge city, but it's so easy to do. You can get around with mopeds, which are electric, or normal mopeds, scooters, buses, underground, trams, taxis, there's everything, don't worry. Your friend will be the yellow U3 link above. And what you want to do is get one of these tickets. You can get these at any underground station. The main company is HVV. €9 this cost us, €9, and this gets you a full month pass. So for a full month you can travel anywhere in Hamburg, on ferries, buses, on the underground and on the trains. So that's well worth it. It's like, we're going to work out 30 pence a day while you're here. So first day, we decided, we got here quite late, we got about tea time, we thought we'd go and see some of the sights before we went to bed. So we went to the Alfafina Harmony. I probably butchered it. This is how I pronounce it. But it is free. Yes, there are things to do in Hamburg which don't cost a penny. So go down to the harbour side, get on the U3, yellow line, and get off, have a cheeky look around. It's free. You get a beautiful panorama view of the harbour and the city. Great photo opportunities. If you've got a bit of cash, you can stay. There's a hotel there. I think it's a Westin. I think it works out about $300, $400, €400 a night, not dollars. I do apologise. Number 2, miniature Wonderland. It is €20 a ticket. So it costs you €20, but you'll get to see some amazing sculptures and mini versions of the world. I'm not going to spoil it. All these clips, there's no spoilers. I want you to go and experience it. You can go on YouTube and do deep dives and all these and see if it's your cup of tea. But Miniature Wonderland, it's €20 a person. You need to book in advance. You can do it online or turn up and book your slot. Brilliant. Really enjoyed it. St. Michael's Church, if you want a bit of culture. Hamburg's regard it as their Eiffel Tower. And it is a beautiful church. Go look inside. It doesn't cost anything to go and look inside. But you want to go to the top. You want a view of Hamburg and the financial district and just see the beautiful 5, well, there'll only be 4 because there's 5 basically church towers in Hamburg, what is the skyline, so you're going to be up one of them. That will cost you €4. So €4, you can go right up to the 10th floor, have a look round, take some photos. It does get windy up there. And if you do suffer vertigo, probably not best going near railings. Okay, so you want to, something else which is free. You can go into the tunnels. Yes, there's a tunnel going right across the river and it's free. It gets people from one end of the riverbanks to the next without having to catch a ferry or go across the long bridges. So you can walk under the tunnel, which is, I think it's 1,200 meters. I may be wrong, I will correct it if I am. But I think it's 1,200 meters down. So you can go and walk across it, get an elevator that comes back up to the pavements. It's free. It's great to see. Cyclists everywhere. But yes, get yourself on an electric scooter. They are so much fun. There's many brands, Bird, Lime, and my favourite, Tia. register on the app. Basically, you just scan a little QR code, it unlocks it, it'll take out €2 out of your bank, and then it'll charge you like 0.25 euros for your journey for every, like, I think it's mile or 10 minutes. It adds up. Usually, every time we used them for about 20-30 minutes. It cost us like €2. But it is a very cycle-friendly city. There's dedicated bike lanes, so if you're not confident and you don't want to go on the road, there's plenty of bike lanes everywhere, so you can pick these up. They're brilliant. You can use bicycles, you can hire those, electric mopeds, which cost you €25 a day from Emmy. It is a great city.
So we're here at Hamburg Airport. There's 2 terminals. Now, when we arrived, we paid £40 to get a taxi from Hamburg Airport to Hamburg Centre, which roughly is about 45 minutes. But as I said before, the €9 ticket, which lasts for a month, we paid, well, nothing really, because we used that ticket to get from Hamburg Centre to here. It took us 25 minutes. They're so regular. They're as regular as my videos every Monday, don't forget, on this channel. So don't forget, you like, subscribe. Let's say goodbye to Hamburg. Bye.
So you fancy something to do with cars, you're a car fanatic like myself. Well, the Automobile Museum here in Hamburg is fantastic. If you like Porsche like myself, predominantly Porsche, you get to see some of the racing cars, you get to see Michael Schumacher's first ever debut Formula 1 car. €10 to get in, over 3 stories, beautiful, friendly staff, have a little snack there, well worth the visit. If you want to go into the harbour side, a lot of the attractions are down there. Miniature Wonderland is there, the Porsche Museum's about a 15-minute walk from there, and then you might want to catch the train to the next station on the U3 again, which will take you to St. Pauli. You'll see St. Pauli advertised all over Hamburg. That is basically the red light district, which is only a very small street. The rest of it is open to the public, loads of bars, loads of restaurants, lots to do and see. It's quite a vibrant part of the city. We went on one of the evenings and just chilled out and watched people. It's some characters.
So we're in Hamburg, St. Pauli is the area. Chilling, got some cocktails. That way is the main red light district. Oh, there's some classic 90s. Cowboy Indiana. We're at Anchor's Bar in Hamburg. We're enjoying Hamburg how it should be.
So you want to get around the city and learn some fun facts. Hop on, hop off buses are well worth it. They are €18 a ticket. There's about 20 stops all the way around Hamburg, the major stops. So you can just get on, stay. It took us about an hour and 30 minutes to go all the way around the city. And you put your headphones in, you can listen to the fun facts of each stop. And it tells you so much information about Hamburg. They're well worth it. You can go up the top, and if it's nice weather, the roof will be off. Or you can sit downstairs. Every language under the sun to listen to, so well worth it. So they are top 5 places and some hints and tips to do while you're in Hamburg. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Come to Hamburg. It's a beautiful city. And don't forget to like and a follow. I mean, I might do more of these when I travel. Thanks, bye.
Oh, bit of bonus. Hamburg in Hamburg. See what I did there? A little bit of fun footage. Oh, yes. So this is the building, the Apelfina, what I can never pronounce. And went inside. That's where the Westin is. Oh, my wife's got her fingers over the camera. How professional. But a lovely shot. She's like Michael Bay in disguise. Oh, let's see her finger again. Checking out my ass. Oh, she's hungry. She wants some daddy meat. Stayed at Courtyard Marriott, which was a lovely hotel. Although my bathroom door didn't shut properly. Especially when I was having a poop. So we're in an open air theatre to watch Michael Kiwanaki here in Hamburg. Pretty much choose where you want to stand. Paid €19 for that jacket.
$4
I mean, great in Hamburg.
7:30. So let's see. It's a good time.
Unfortunately, you still have to wear masks on public transport in Hamburg, and this is a little bridge. We can have a little wander across. There's so many bridges in Hamburg, probably just as many as Venice. I'm probably lying. This ain't wish you were here. Look, lovely, lovely. They've got the biggest apartments, warehouses. It's crackers.
I'm in the Ulster in Hamburg. There's a famous saying from sailors that if you drown here, you're stupid because you can just stand up. It's literally about 6 foot
See you
deep.
later.